శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతము చతుర్థ స్కంధం, ఫోర్త్ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Swayambhuva Manuvu got 3 daughters, 2 sons with his wife Shatarupa, and daughters' names are Akuti, Devahuti, Prasuti. Sons' names are Priyavrata, Uttanapada. So far, I have told you about one daughter, that is Devahuti. I narrated the entire story of Devahuti and Kapila. Now, I will tell you about Akuti, Prasuti and their children. O Vidura, Swayambhuva Manuvu, he gave his other daughter Akuti to one of the Prajapatis, Ruchi. While giving his daughter to Ruchi, Swayambhuva Manu took a word from Ruchi saying that the children that Ruchi going to get with Akuti should be given to Swayambhuva Manu. Ruchi accepted to that, and then Swayambhuva Manu gave his daughter Akuti to Ruchi. Ruchi is a very great man. He is very righteous. He always will be in meditation upon Sriman Narayana. And Ruchi got 1 son, 1 daughter with his wife Akuti. Son yastayoho purushaha sakshat Vishnuhu. That son is Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu's Amsa, spark. And that son's name is Yajna. That son is very handsome son. Now Swayambhuva Manu brought that son back to his home. Now the daughter Yastri Sa Dakshina Bhutehe Amsa Bhuta Anapayini. Daughter's name is Dakshina. She is a direct spark of Sakshat Lakshmi Devi. Now, son is Mahavishnu Amsa, daughter is Lakshmi Devi Amsa. Because of that reason, and also because Mahavishnu is the Pati of all the worlds, he is the husband of everyone. That is another reason. And other reason is Dakshina, the daughter, she has been willing to marry Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. With all these reasons, Sakala Yajnapati Srimannarayana Sri Mahavishnu, who is born as Yajna, married Dakshina. Like that, Maitreya, narrating the stories of Swayambhuva Manu and his children. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.